Hi everyone, I'm very excited because we're going to a cat cafe. So it's basically just sitting there eating food that you would do in a normal cafe, but only there are cats around. If you know me personally, you know that I'm an animal lover. I'm not the cat person or a dog person, I'm a bit of both, but I'm very excited. I did forget my camera at home, so I'll be filming on my phone, as you can see. So don't worry about the quality. That rhymes.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss it, and you miss it. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Hello there, voiceover Vanessa here. I didn't do an outro, so here are my thoughts on the cat cafe. Oh my goodness, one of the best ideas I've ever had. As you could see by all the clips, I literally had no words. It was just too much adorableness and just cuteness for me to handle. It was definitely an overload of adorableness, but I would definitely recommend to go there. If you love cats just as much as I do, I definitely recommend to go to a cat cafe either near you or when you travel somewhere, to go and look on Google to see if they have any cat cafes around the place you are staying or just in the center of where you are. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I loved going to the cat cafe so much. Make sure to go and follow them. I'll put their Instagram in the description box down below, and I will also leave the location, so if you are in Prague or if you're going to visit Prague or go there for a holiday, you can also visit there and meet some of the adorable cats they have there. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like and click the notification bell. But without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!